What if cleaning could be easy again? Does the thought of mopping the floor or scrubbing the shower exhaust you before you even begin? If you're elderly, disabled, or living with chronic pain, cleaning your home can feel overwhelming or even impossible. But what if we told you that staying tidy and clean doesn't have to be exhausting? What if there were lazy but effective hacks that took the burden off your body while still leaving your home fresh and comfortable? You don't need to push through pain or risk injury to keep a clean space. As we dive into these 10 smart energy-saving tips, please take a second to like this video and subscribe if you are new. And stay to the end, where we share 10 things to avoid while cleaning and offer smarter, safer alternatives that promote energy conservation, independence, and safety. These 10 cleaning hacks are designed to make cleaning simple, safe, and totally manageable, even if you're low on energy or dealing with mobility issues. Let's make cleaning work for you, not against you. Number 1. Use a grabber tool for everything. If bending down or reaching up strains your back, a grabber tool is a lifesaver. These long-handled tools help you pick up clutter, dust hard-to-reach spots, and grab laundry or items off shelves without discomfort. Keep one in each major room for quick, low-effort access. Pro tip: look for grabbers with rotating heads to make dusting baseboards and corners even easier. Number 2. Invest in disposable cleaning wipes or spray mops. Mopping the floor can feel like running a marathon when you're dealing with joint pain or limited energy. Swap your heavy bucket and mop for a lightweight spray mop or disposable cleaning wipes. They let you spot clean surfaces quickly without carrying water or scrubbing hard. Lazy hack: keep wipes in high-use areas like the bathroom and kitchen so you can clean as you go. No need to do a big, deep clean all at once. Number 3. Sit while you clean. Many cleaning tasks don't require standing. Try sitting at a table while folding laundry or prepping meals. Place a stool near the sink to wash dishes while seated. Use a rolling office chair to clean lower surfaces like baseboards or cabinet doors with ease. Energy saver: clean in 10-minute spurts while seated instead of pushing through an hour on your feet. Number 4. Break cleaning into mini tasks. Instead of trying to clean the whole house in a day, break it into 10-minute chunks. Wipe the bathroom sink after brushing your teeth. Dust one shelf a day. Do one laundry load every other morning. Little actions add up, and they won't exhaust you. Mental trick: write one small task on a sticky note and celebrate completing it. Momentum builds motivation. Number 5. Use voice assistants for reminders and motivation. Virtual assistants like Alexa or Google Home can remind you to do quick cleaning tasks or even play upbeat music to get you moving. Set a daily reminder for wipe kitchen counters or ask for a 10-minute timer while you dust. Bonus tip: ask your assistant to tell you a joke or play relaxing music while you clean to lighten the mood. Number 6. Keep cleaning tools where you use them. Make your life easier by storing a few cleaning essentials in every room. A microfiber cloth in the bathroom, disinfectant wipes under the kitchen sink, a small vacuum in the bedroom. This eliminates the need to move from room to room carrying supplies. Here is a tip: put each room's tools in a decorative basket so they're handy but still look tidy. Number 7. Use long-handled tools to avoid bending. Try long-handled dusters, scrub brushes, or squeegees. These help you clean floors, tubs, and baseboards without kneeling or crouching. Tools with telescoping handles are especially useful, great for cleaning under beds or furniture without moving them. Number 8. Try a robotic vacuum cleaner. A robot vacuum might be your new best friend. Set it to run once a day while you relax, and let it do the work of keeping your floors hair, dirt, and dust-free. Low-effort trick: choose a model with auto-empty and scheduling features so you don't have to interact with it often. Number 9. Declutter for less. Cleaning overall: the less clutter you have, the less there is to clean. Focus on one drawer or shelf at a time and ask yourself, do I use this? Do I love it? Removing clutter makes your space easier to clean and more peaceful. One in, one out rule. For every new item you bring in, remove an old one. Number 10. Ask for help without guilt. There's strength in knowing when to ask for help. Whether it's a family member, neighbor, or hired cleaner once a month, bringing in help with heavy tasks like vacuuming or bathroom scrubbing is a smart way to protect your energy and health. Community tip: many senior centers or local services offer volunteer helpers. It's worth asking around. Bonus tips for pain-free cleaning days. Use warm compresses before cleaning to loosen stiff joints. Wear supportive shoes or use cushioned mats to reduce fatigue. Stay hydrated. Even low energy is worse when dehydrated. Use timers or apps to set short cleaning bursts with breaks. Avoid harsh chemicals. They can trigger respiratory issues or skin problems. Try vinegar, baking soda, and gentle cleaners instead. 10 things seniors who are disabled and in pain should avoid when cleaning. Cleaning may seem like a basic everyday task, but for seniors who are disabled, dealing with chronic pain, or have limited mobility, it can quickly become overwhelming, exhausting, or even dangerous. A chore that once took 20 minutes may now take an hour and leave lingering soreness. Fortunately, much of this strain can be avoided by understanding what not to do. Here are 10 key things seniors who are disabled or in pain should avoid while cleaning, and offer smarter, safer alternatives that promote energy conservation, independence, and safety. Number 1. Avoid lifting heavy objects. Heavy lifting is one of the quickest ways to injure yourself, especially if you suffer from joint pain, arthritis, osteoporosis, or balance issues. Seniors often underestimate the toll even moderately heavy items like buckets of water, vacuum cleaners, or storage bins can take on their bodies. Why it's dangerous: can cause back strains, hernias, or falls, worsens arthritis or joint inflammation, increases risk of fractures, especially if bones are brittle. What to do instead? Use lightweight cleaning tools and supplies. Opt for a rolling cleaning caddy to move items. Ask for help with lifting from a caregiver or family member. Number 2. Don't use harsh chemical cleaners. Many conventional cleaners contain strong fumes that can irritate the lungs and eyes, especially in small, poorly ventilated rooms. Seniors with respiratory issues like COPD, asthma, or general sensitivity should be especially cautious. Why it's dangerous: triggers coughing, eye irritation, or dizziness, may interact negatively with medications. Risk of chemical burns or spills. What to do instead? Use natural or plant-based cleaners like vinegar and baking soda. Open windows and ensure ventilation while cleaning. Wear gloves and a mask when necessary. Number 3. Avoid standing for long periods. Standing too long while scrubbing counters, dishes, or doing laundry can aggravate back, knee, or foot pain. Over time, this strain contributes to fatigue and even falls. Why it's dangerous: causes swelling or inflammation in joints, leads to lower back or leg pain, increases fatigue and loss of balance. What to do instead? Sit on a high stool or chair while cleaning sinks or counters. Take breaks every 10 to 15 minutes to sit and rest. Wear supportive, cushioned shoes or orthotics. Number 4. Don't climb ladders or use step stools. Falls from even small heights are among the leading causes of injury in seniors. Trying to clean ceiling fans, high shelves, or cupboards using ladders or stools is simply not worth the risk. Why it's dangerous: increased fall risk due to balance or dizziness, can lead to serious fractures or head injuries. What to do instead? Use long-handled dusters or grabbers. Ask someone younger or taller to help with high spots. Rearrange items in your home so frequently used things are within easy reach. Number 5. Avoid cleaning for long periods without breaks. Cleaning an entire home in one go is not practical when dealing with chronic pain, fatigue, or limited mobility. Doing so will only lead to burnout and physical discomfort. Why it's dangerous: increases the risk of overuse injuries, triggers flare-ups in conditions like fibromyalgia or arthritis, reduces effectiveness and concentration over time. What to do instead? Break chores into 15 to 30-minute segments. Use a timer to schedule cleaning, followed by a rest. Clean one room per day instead of the entire house. Number 6. Don't ignore pain or physical discomfort. Seniors often try to push through the pain out of habit or pride, but this can lead to serious setbacks. Pain is your body's signal to slow down, adjust your technique, or stop. Why it's dangerous: can result in worsening inflammation or injury, may cause falls due to weakness or fatigue, delays healing and recovery time. What to do instead: stop cleaning if you feel discomfort or strain. Modify your posture or use assistive tools. Keep pain relief options nearby, e.g. heating pad, over-the-counter meds, topical creams. Number 7. Avoid bending and twisting too much. Certain cleaning tasks, like sweeping under furniture or scrubbing the bathtub, require bending or twisting movements, which can be harmful for seniors with limited spine flexibility or hip-knee issues. Why it's dangerous: increases risk of pulled muscles or herniated discs, strains knees, hips, and lower back. What to do instead: use tools with extended handles, get on a padded kneeler if absolutely necessary, and always use support when getting up. Avoid twisting motions. Pivot your whole body instead. Number 8. Don't use slippery or wet floor cleaners without precaution. Mopping with slippery solutions or not drying floors can cause dangerous slips and falls, especially for seniors who may have vision or balance challenges. Why it's dangerous: risk of falling on wet surfaces, increases likelihood of joint or hip fractures. What to do instead: use anti-slip floor cleaners, immediately dry mopped areas with a towel or dry mop. Wear non-slip shoes at all times when cleaning. Number 9. Avoid carrying supplies room to room. Moving multiple bottles, rags, and tools from one room to another takes energy and increases the risk of tripping, especially if you need to use a walker, cane, or have vision issues. Why it's dangerous: can cause tripping over scattered items, tires you out more quickly. What to do instead: use a small rolling cart or basket to keep essentials together. Keep a mini set of supplies in each bathroom or on each floor if possible. Consider a wheeled caddy or apron with pockets for carrying lightweight items. Number 10. Don't skip assistive tools and mobility aids. Some seniors avoid using mobility aids, reachers, or ergonomic tools because they don't want to seem dependent. However, these tools are designed to preserve independence and prevent injuries. Why it's dangerous: not using the right tools increases risk of falls and strain, leads to overexertion and pain. What to do instead: use grabbers, long-handled dusters, electric scrubbers, or lightweight vacuums. Consider adding handrails or shower chairs if cleaning the bathroom. Ask an occupational therapist for tool recommendations tailored to your mobility level. Final thoughts: cleaning smarter, not harder. Maintaining a clean living space is important for health and well-being, especially for seniors with compromised immunity or chronic pain. But it should never come at the cost of safety, comfort, or peace of mind. By avoiding these 10 common cleaning hazards and adopting practical alternatives, seniors who are disabled or in pain can still take pride in their homes without risking their health. Remember, asking for help isn't weakness, it's wisdom. Prioritize your safety, use tools that lighten the load, and work with your body instead of against it. You deserve a clean, safe home and a pain-free life. Clean enough is clean enough. You don't need to be perfect. A tidy home should support your peace of mind, not stress you out. Let go of perfection and aim for clean enough. With these hacks, you can maintain a healthier, more comfortable space without hurting your body or draining your energy. You deserve a home that supports your well-being, and now you know how to keep it clean the easy way. Thank you so much for listening, and we hope this was helpful. Please remember to subscribe if you are new and click the like button if you enjoyed it. Have a great day.